Okay, YouTube land. So we're back with the Impala today. So we're gonna be doing the cabin air filter and learning the remote control. Now it's a little dark out, but I have a special ability. The spotlight. That is pretty much gonna be our saving grace for tonight. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the hood, take off two covers right here. Sorry, it's a little dark. I step on there. This little cover right here, and then we should be good to go. Easy 1, 2, 3. All right. Again, that spotlight's helping us out, and the hood's actually blocking out the reflection, so that's pretty good. Now, what we need to do now is pull off the trim right here. Not all the way, just enough we can get the part exposed. There you go. Pretty loose. There's the release. God damn, this thing is number 4, I think. There's that little piece that holds me down. Sorry, I'm missing. Oh, goddamn. See the little plastic tab right there. That's not even in the building right now. Alright. That came out. Easier than I thought it was. Then we got this little piece of plastic right here. You can see, get a better view of this. Damn, I was completely out of view. But this little tab right here, which is missing, I would replace it. But my Tahoe has tabs in it right now, and it's not currently here. So you gotta raise it up a little bit. There we go. I'll maybe shoot this guy up and aim it down. Perfect. So that's out of the way. Pull this little piece of foam right here. Plastic shit. And holy shit, that filter. Oh my. This thing was beyond new. I'm thankful to the people at Rick Hendrick for letting me know that was this bad. If. Oh my god. There is dead beetles and everything in here right now. Oh god, it's even worse on camera. Oh my. Alright, let's take that over there. Yeah, I got a brand new one. This is a Micro Guard brand. Right out of the box. Nice and secured. And best of all, we have this nice little tab right here. And I'm pretty sure it goes in the bottom. Which means that whoever the fool was, this and put it in upside down. Look at that. Put it down. Let's not make that same mistake. So I'm mistaken here. Look at it sticks up like that. It's supposed to be on top. Hopefully this car will smell a lot better for this. Let's see if I can get this guy in here. Huh. This is gonna be a fun little guy here. Come on, stop playing. Huh. Seems back in my head, I apologize. Let me adjust this. There. Come on, get in there, you. There it goes. Alright, we're in. A little bent in the corner there, unfortunately. But that shit happens. Look at that grain. Grain's in good shape. Surprise there. And now he's got to reinstall this bad boy. So, for us, the lines are still there. So, let's quick little install. Oh, it actually was one left. Look at that shit. The wrong size and the wrong type. think that was done by the police originally, some time ago. They just stopped giving a shit. They knew something was entering retirement. This guy right here. Why? Because, well, I don't really know why I'm putting it in the hole, but it fits. It's closer. I feel like it's not gonna get blown off as easy. This guy here tucks in, so yeah, there we go. Give me my little tool there. Next up are the keys. Well, the remote. They're my factory set. Ow! Stab my fucking self. And the keys pretty much are self-explanatory. You pretty much buy them at AutoZone or no, some Home Depot or some shit, and they program with the car. Now I didn't know this, but my keys are actually fucking electronic locks. I had to have them set up for this car, but yeah, it's actually pretty damn easy. All right, now we're gonna do the fucking key. Oh, remote start. No. You know what I fucking mean. La 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 la. Alright. Now we're gonna go inside. Pretty much the program remote is the exact same way as turn this guy around a little bit. Just pause this for a second. That program remote is actually pretty simple. Got my factory key, put it that way. Got the reprogram keys. Now this one should be the ignition key. We're gonna take it, put it into auxiliary. Then we're gonna go in the settings here. In the right one. Relearn remote key. Press the lock and unlock keys. There it goes. We're gonna test it. And there we go. Easy 1, 2, 3. That's actually a really nice idea from Chevy. I'll make sure my other set works. Which fucking key? I just dropped him right on the floor. Behind the seats. Alright, make sure this guy still works. Oh! So I can only have one set of keys? Are you kidding me? Alright. This over here. Try that. I'm gonna be very pissed if all of a sudden I can't have two remotes. Try two. One set. There we go. Okay, now they're both learned. Do both of them again at the same time. Either way, now we got two program keys. Again, lock, unlock. Trunk. Alright, we're good. Alright, well, that'll be it for me. Well, we'll do more videos later on. Hopefully, maybe tomorrow we'll do the Tahoe. Actually, no, Tahoe's not even here. Well, maybe we'll do the locks on this girl. Either way, thanks for watching. Bye.